ओम। सनातन धर्म और आर्य समाज, अपेंडिक्स पार्ट 3। द इंटरनेशनल आर्यन लीग। द इंटरनेशनल आर्यन लीग, that is the Sarvadeshik Sabha, is the central representative body of all the Arya Samajas above 3000 in India, Burma, Africa, Baghdad, Mauritius, Fiji, Trinidad, South America, etc. Its head office is at Delhi. The Arya Samaj is a religious church and it has its own constitution. The 10 principles of the Arya Samaj have already been given. Besides, there are bylaws to run the administration. At least 9 members make a duly constituted Arya Samaj if the members subscribe to its tenets as well as declare that their willingness to abide by the bylaws. Every member must pay 1% of his income to the fund of the Arya Samaj of which he is a member. The provincial representative assemblies called the Arya Pratinidhi Sabhas and affiliated to the International Aryan League are at in the following provinces: the Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Bengal and Assam, Rajputana, Central Province, Sindh, Bombay, Burma, East Africa, South Africa, Fiji, Mauritius. The above provincial bodies, along with other samajas of the places where a provincial representative body has not yet been formed, form a central body named the Arya Sarvadeshika Sabha Delhi, known in English as the International Aryan League. This is the representative body of all the samajas of the world. From this constitution, which has been working well till now, it will be evident that the Arya Samaj is neither priest-ridden nor bureaucratic in its character. From top to bottom, it is purely democratic, and even the lowest among the lowest has his or her voice directly or through representation in the administration of the church. Our constitution is free from invidious classification. Man and woman, high and low, poor and rich, all are alike in the eye of the constitution. It knows no distinction. It admits of no barrier. Introduction of the learned author Pandit Ganga Prasad Upadhyay. Born on September 6, 1881 at Nandarai, Kasganj on the river Kali in the Etah district, United Provinces. Parents: home Marthara, Etah district. Graduated in 1908 and MA in 1912 in English literature and in 1923 in philosophy from the Allahabad University. Principal DAV High School, Allahabad from 1924 to 39. President of the Arya Pratinidhi Sabha, Uttar Pradesh, 1941 to 45. Vice President, International Aryan League, Delhi, 1945. General Secretary, International Aryan League, 1947 to 50. Author of Reason and Religion, Swami Dayananda's Contribution to Hindu Solidarity, I and My God, Origin, Mission and Scope of Arya Samaj, Worship, Christianity in India, Superstition, Marriage and Married Life, The Light of Truth, that is English version of the Satyarth Prakash. Landmarks of Swami Dayananda's teachings, Vedic culture, casteism on Hinduism, life after death. Also author of the Hindi books अग्नि जति का इतिहास, आर्य समाज, आस्तिकवाद, अद्वैतवाद, धम्मपद, जीवात्मा, सर्वदर्शन सिद्धांत संग्रह, मनुस्मृति, भागवत कथा, शंकरा भाष्य आलोचना, हम क्या खाएं, आर्य स्मृति, कम्युनिज्म, द एंड।